What's going on, everyone? Austin here. And in this video, we're going to take a look at how to use chroma keying inside of QuickLink StudioPro to replace a background during a live production. So, let's get into it. Chroma keying is built directly into StudioPro, making it quick and easy to use without any additional tools. In this example, I have a StudioPro caller joining remotely and sitting in front of a green screen. The goal here is to remove the green background and replace it with a custom backdrop. I already have a background prepared behind the caller. This could be an image or video or any source you like to use. To get started, select the source you want to key. With the source selected, open the Filters panel at the bottom of the interface. Under Effect Filters, right-click and choose Add, and then select Chroma Key. Once this filter is applied, you'll see the green screen begin to drop out almost immediately. StudioPro supports multiple key colors, including green, blue, magenta, or even a custom color if needed. From here, you can fine-tune the settings to clean up the key. Adjust these controls helps remove any remaining background while keeping the subject looking natural. In most cases, only small adjustments are needed to get a solid result. Once you're happy, simply close the filter panel, and because the background was already placed behind the caller, the keyed source now appears cleanly in front of the new background. And that's a quick overview of how chroma keying works inside of QuickLink StudioPro. For more tutorials and walkthroughs, head over to our YouTube channel or visit support.quicklink.tv. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.